Hey everybody, wanted to welcome you to Bio 2102 online. I'm hoping that you followed the link on the announcements page, which took you to this recording. We're going to have a great semester here this fall. A little bit of, I guess, bookkeeping type of stuff. You are an A&P2, so I treat you like adults and I treat you kind of like employees. And so when you look at the dates and everything, they are there. We can bump them a little bit if we need to. You will notice there's nothing due between September 30th and October 12th. I will be in London racing Masters Track Worlds, and so I made it so there was nothing due. I will give you somebody else to contact if you run into issues. And then October 29th, I am having my left hip replaced. So we will get through and around all this stuff. I just wanted to give you a heads up so we can all kind of plan for it. I hope everybody's doing well. Hope you had a crazy good summer. Got way too hot while I'm recording this today. It is 104 degrees outside. And otherwise, biggest thing for me is don't cheat in my class. Basically, everybody in this class is going to be going into some degree of medical. I myself have been in the medical field for over 25 years. I've been a faculty at Front Range for 23 years. My wife is a specialized GI nurse, and I want you to be able to go out and treat yourself, your families, and your community with the utmost respect and care. And the way we do that is by working through the hard things. We don't cheat, we just keep working through them. We ask for help when we need to, and we just keep moving forward. I hope you're having a great day, and we will talk to you soon.